Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to discuss about conjugated dienes. So, what is dienes? Dienes are those compounds which contain two double bonds in a same molecule. That means if any compound contain two double bonds are called dienes. Di means two, di means two, and ene means double bond. Okay, so that's why it is called dienes. মানে ডাইন্স দুটো ডবল বন্ড এর মধ্যে প্রেজেন্ট রয়েছে। and conjugated means the double bond are connected to each other through a single bond and another molecule. মানে দুটো ডবল বন্ড একটা কম্পাউন্ডের মধ্যে প্রেজেন্ট রয়েছে এবং সেই দুটো ডবল বন্ড একে অপরের সঙ্গে কার্বন মলিকিউল হোক বা হাইড্রোজেন মলিকিউলের মাধ্যমে বন্ডের সঙ্গে কানেক্টেড রয়েছে। ওকে, সো নাও কাম টু দ্য ক্লাসিফিকেশন অফ ডাইন্স। ক্লাসিফিকেশন অফ ডাইন্স মিন্স ডাইন্স কত রকমের হয়। ওকে, ফার্স্ট কম্পাউন্ড ইজ conjugated dienes. What is the conjugated dienes? The dienes in which two double bonds are separated by one single bond. Okay, so this is the example 1,3-butadiene. Here two double bond 1 and 2 double bond are separated with each other by a single bond. That's why it is called conjugated dienes. Okay, next is non-conjugated dienes. What is non-conjugated dienes? And non-conjugated dienes also called as isolated dienes. Diene in which two double bonds are separated by more than one single bond. Okay, so the example of non-conjugated diene is one for pentadiene. Here two double bonds are separated with each other by two single bonds. That's why it is called non-conjugated dienes. Next is cumulative dienes. Cumulative dienes means when two double bonds are connected with a single carbon atom. Okay, are called cumulative dienes. Example is 1,2 propadiene. Here two double bonds 1 and 2 double bonds are connected with each other by a single carbon atom. Okay, so that's why it is called cumulative dienes. Now come to the chemical reaction of conjugated dienes. First reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction also known as 4+2,5 reaction. In this reaction, two double bonded compound reacted with each other and produce a closed chain carbon atom or cyclocarbon atom. Okay, so in this Diels-Alder reaction, one dies because it is a conjugated diene. Okay, and one dineophile and one dienes, two compound. Okay, these two compound reacted with each other, and also I demonstrate here the mechanism. That first these pi bonds are moved here, and for this reason the pi bonds are open. Okay, so this is formed after the bond rearrangement. Then this compound react with this dineophile. Okay, what happens? One pi bond is break and the sigma bond attach here. Okay, and finally the cyclohexene are formed. Okay, there I have also another example, that is one diene reacted with dineophile which contain a electron withdrawing group. Okay, and this aldehyde group is electron withdrawing group. That means it have a capability to attack electron towards itself. Okay, then the final compound is cyclohex 3 in 1 alone. Okay, so this is the Diels-Alder reaction. Next chemical reaction is electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction means the compound which have less electron are participate in the chemical interaction. Okay, so the electrophilic addition reaction example is at first one diene and one bromine. Okay, dienes means so what happened? One 3-butadiene. React with bromine. They have a probability to produce two final compound in a same manner. Okay, so the two final compounds may be and another one is okay. These two compounds can form by the reaction of 1,3-butadiene with bromine. Okay, the first one is 1,2 additional. The first compound is 1. इधर एखान থেকে আমরা এ করি না হ্যাঁ ওকে তাহলে কি হচ্ছে 3,4 ডাইব্রোমো বিউট 1 ইন ঠিক আছে তো এখানেও সেরকম so this compound may be formed due to the reaction of 1,3-butadiene and bromine. Now come to the mechanism. Okay, for this first one প্রথমটা কি হচ্ছে প্রথমে যখন এটা এর সঙ্গে রিঅ্যাকশন করছে কেসটা কি দাঁড়াচ্ছে না Okay, so what happened in the first case? In the first case, at first this so what happened in first? This pi bond attack this bromine, okay, and produce they have a positive charge and CH2 Br, and in this reaction another bromine atom are present. Then this bromine atom attack this carbon atom and give this compound. Okay. Clear? So at first this pi bond attack this bromine atom, one bromine atom. This bromine atom attacks here, and there have a electron deficient. That's why positive ion is generated here. Then after that another bromine atom react with this carbon atom because there have a electron deficient and bromine have a extra electron, and the final compound is formed. In another, or in case of B, this thing is similar. Okay, this thing is similar, then what will happen? For B, when a carbocation is formed, this is called carbocation. Okay. When a carbocation is formed after reacting with bromine, what will happen? What will happen? These pi bonds are moved here to fill the electron deficient of this carbocation. Okay? Then what will happen? CH2. When this pi bond moves here, then this carbon atom gain a positive ion. After that, this carbon atom have a electron deficient. Then what will happen? This bromine atom have a extra electron. So bromine donate its extra electron to this carbon atom, and the second product is formed. Okay, so this is the mechanism of esophageal addition reaction of dyes. I think it is clear to all of you. Next is electrophile addition reaction with acid halide. বা এই দিয়া দিল হাইড্রোক্লোরিক অ্যাসিড না হ্যালাইড অ্যাসিড. Okay, so the reaction is these all reactions are related to conjugated dyes only, because in your syllabus only conjugated dyes are present. So similarly, two mixture of compound may be produced in this reaction, similar like addition reaction with halogen. Addition reaction of halogen যেরকম ছিল, so in this reaction two final compound may be produced because the probability is state like this. Okay, because the mechanism is said which I draw in the board previously. Okay, so another probability is okay, just same like addition reaction with halogen, the mechanism is same. Okay, next is free radical addition reaction. These reactions are generated due to the presence of catalyst, and the catalyst is carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Okay, so what is the reaction? Free radical means single atom react with dyes. Bromine, free radical in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. What will form? Okay, and obviously there have a probability to produce two compound mixture. Okay, the first one is the solvent are used in this reaction, that is peroxide. At first, what will happen? This carbon tetrachloride react with bromine and produce CCl3Br. Okay, an electron attached with peroxide. This CCl3Br react with this diene. Okay, so what? Same mechanism, same thing. Okay, the mechanism of this reaction is same and the pattern to form final compound is also same, because these all are electrophile addition reaction. Okay, next is Birch reaction. Next is Birch reaction. Okay, what happened in this Birch reaction? This Birch reaction are moved on one diene diene in the presence of sodium and ammonia. What will happen? Okay, so 1,4-diene to alkene. Okay, so in Birch reaction, diene are converted to alkene. Okay, this is the Birch reaction. And next is come to the next topic, that is factor affecting Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, which types of factor depend on Diels-Alder reaction? Okay, so first thing, the dies 1,4-diene react with dineophiles which contain one electron withdrawing group. Already I told you about the mechanism of this reaction. What will happen? Now when one electron withdrawing group are present in the reaction, the rate of the reaction are vary. Okay? What happened? In the next reaction, when two electron withdrawing group are present, the mechanism is same, and for the mechanism of the production of final compound or the last compound, that is the same. But the difference in between, if electron withdrawing group present in the dineophile, that the temperature much more, if much more electron withdrawing group are present in dineophile, then the temperature are required very less. যদি ধরো এখানে একটা ইলেকট্রন উইথড্রয়িং গ্রুপ রয়েছে, টেম্পারেচার ইজ রিকোয়ার্ড 373 কেলভিন, and in the reaction Melic anhydride contain two electron withdrawing group, that is two oxygen. Oxygen is a electron withdrawing group, so the temperature in the reaction are become low than the first reaction. So this is the effect of present electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group also increases the rate of reaction. Okay. Next, that is electron donating group present in the diene. If electron donating group, when the group which have probability to donate electron to the compound, okay, so then what will happen? Now, if this also affect the reaction, that is, if more electron withdrawing group present in diene, then the rate of reaction also depends and the temperature required is very low. Okay, so in the if electron withdrawing group are present, then the probability of electron দেওয়ার মানে কি হচ্ছে না, পাই বন্ড ইজিলি খুলে যেতে পারবে, তাহলে কি হবে না, রিঅ্যাকশন রেটটা ইনক্রিজ হবে। ওকে, সো নেক্সট ইজ অ্যালাইনিক রিঅ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট। ইন দ্য রিঅ্যাকশন diene react with N-bromosuccinic acid. In this compound contain 3 electron withdrawing group. So this reaction is more fast than the previous reaction and the temperature record is very low, and in this reaction there are probability to produce 2 final compound. Okay, so that's all for conjugated diene. If you have any doubts from this topic or chapter, you will ask me. Okay, so thank you.